All right, y'all. We're here at Big Lots, and I say y'all because I am here with my main man. What up?
Hello.
Really?
What did you say? I couldn't hear you.
So I'm here with my main man. You come in here and you say hello.
Yeah.
No, it's supposed to be yeah.
Yeah.
Really? Okay. Anyway.
Oh, I remember this. This is the couch that I always sit on.
No, we didn't go to this one. We went to the one in off Palmer last time. Really?
Wait a minute.
Christian's favorite thing: pistachios.
Huh?
Pistachios.
Oh, it's a family.
I miss peanuts. I can't have
Can we
peanuts.
get some?
No, because I can't have them.
Can I get some?
No. Oh, they got Christmas stuff out like crazy.
This, Mom.
What?
Oh, this looks so good.
I'm
I'm gonna have this.
How much is that?
Banana.
Don't put that up. Stop.
It's the best.
Wow.
You need to drink
Christmas
water.
stuff. I know. I drank water before we came in here though. These are cute.
Whoa, look at this.
What is he doing with his leg up like
He's
that?
doing the break.
He
He's
break
doing the
dancing.
break dance.
Oh, these are cute.
Is this actually a big lollipop?
I guess. I'm not sure. I like that wax warmer.
I think Jolly Ranchers.
That's really pretty.
I don't know.
Why do they have Christmas out so soon? But I want to look.
Eating giant lollipops. What?
You're so loud. They got Yankee Candle.
What's a Yankee Candle?
It's a brand. Don't ever say you didn't know.
I didn't know.
Well, what's this one?
Why am I supposed to know?
Homemade cookies.
I'm too
Woodland
young
Spice.
to know. Is it Old Spice?
No, it says Woodland Spice.
Oh, I like the Old Spice.
Oh, I like this.
I can use this as a microphone, Mom. Oh, this can be our new TV. Oh, wait, never mind.
No.
I thought this was a TV.
Mm-mm. Well, I might get these washcloths though. I need washcloths.
I know that, but are we gonna get a TV for my Nintendo Switch?
Who's getting a Nintendo Switch?
Me!
Who told you that?
You literally Dad sent you a picture.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm getting a Nintendo Switch. He even showed me.
Hold this.
Dad showed me the Nintendo Switch
I don't
getting.
care what your dad said. Anyway,
getting
oh,
one
this is
too.
super cute.
That's mine.
Let me see.
You know, did
These
you?
little couches
It's gonna be my
so
birthday
cute.
soon.
I know, 16 days. These couches are.
I thought it was 17.
No, today's the 1st.
Oh, I thought it was 17.
They sell these at the Dollar Tree. That's crazy. They got it here. And then they already have the Christmas out. I mean, dang, fall can't even hang out, can it?
Well, that's why you go to fall stores.
Well, this is Big Lots. It should have fall and Christmas, I guess.
What stores do have fall and Christmas?
Home Goods. Not Home Goods. Yeah, Home Goods and it's another one. I forgot the other one. I can't believe they have so much Christmas out. This is nuts.
Lollipops.
If you want discount makeup, you need to come to Big Lots. The only thing is with darker skin tones, it's going to be harder to find shades. So don't really come in here looking for foundation like that. Because it's going to be really hard to find our color.
Hey, Mom.
I don't need your phone. These at the Dollar Tree. And these as well. So it's cool to see them here too. Here's that salsa Nature Bee keeps advertising. I heard is, let me see about the calories. It's only 2 carbs, only 1 sugar. I'm gonna go ahead and grab one. Nature Bee keeps talking about it, so I'm gonna try it out. Only 10 calories. It ain't that bad. Sparkling ice waters, Justin, 75 cents. Oh my God, I miss carbonated drinks. Do you want to grab some? Super cute. Ooh, sparkle and shine. These are pretty. And these I always get normally at Ross, and they're like $9.99. You can get them here for $8 and you get 20 just like at Ross. This is a better deal. Fall. I have found fall, and then if you go to the end, there's Christmas. We don't want Christmas. We're trying to find fall. Just pick it up. These are really pretty. So cute. I love these pillows. This is really cute. Look at that pair. She cute. The mat is going to get, what is that? Oh, it's an accent. It is a mat. That's going to get dirty. Not in my house. These are really cute. Is this the thumbnail? I don't know. Maybe. Maybe. I'm scared to press the button. Justin, press the button. Oh God. That's so cute. I love that together mat. Justin, look down there and see what prices say on that mat, please. What that thing say? He ain't nobody's sugar daddy. I'm done. Goodness. It should say on the back side of the mat the price. Yes, on the back side it should say the price. $10? Grab it. Thinking about doing blue and white for Christmas this year because it is so beautiful. Justin, look at this. Do you want to do blue and white for Christmas this year? Oh my goodness, I can see Christian and Grace just destroying these pillows. Look at this, y'all. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at the presents. Do you see them? What color is our Christmas tree? Do you remember? Oh my God. Sorry guys about my keys. How much are these? $8? How much are these? Say 10. 12. Oh girl. But I would still buy them. Oh my God, these are cute. Oh, all is calm, all is bright. Oh, and it matched my nails. God is telling me this is for me. How much is this? 15. Okay. This stuff is for outside the house. But I don't want to buy nothing else for outside my house. That's cute though. And I love that thankful sign. Harvest blessing. This little scarecrow thing is cute. And that's really cute. And it just sticks into the ground. Thankful, and the one that says fall too. Give thanks and welcome to our pumpkin patch. That's cute. Oh, blessed. We're paying $20 for their candles. Not on. Oh my gosh, they got a whole nother Christmas aisle. That table's cute. Y'all, look at this. I'm gonna have to do Christmas, like a separate video for Christmas, because I just want to enjoy fall for a little bit. And but goodness, they are pushing a Christmas motive on us. Y'all, look at this. These are cute. Okay, I'm gonna come back and do this. It's supposed to be about fall. Fall on the end cap, Christmas over here. I'm done, y'all. Look at that. But this table is really, really cute. It's $7.49. Do another video probably at the beginning of next week of the Christmas stuff. I know it's a little early to even be talking about it, but it seems like it's in full effect here, so I'll come back and bring you guys a Christmas video in the next one. So remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.